Hello everybody, today we'll do the split with using the blocks. If you don't have blocks, you can do it on the floor. So we can get started. So first what we will do, we work with our leg, we warm up. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Take our knee and pushing for self. After that, try take our leg and pushing it up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try take this leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay and try take stretch. So 1, 2, 3 and so slowly go back and try using the blocks. Go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like it. Subscribe me, take me like. So bye bye.